Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to block ads across your Android phone. No apps or root required. So let's get started. First, open your settings app, then go to network and internet. Now tap on private DNS. If you don't see it directly, it might be under advanced settings option. Now select private DNS provider hostname. And then here, type some ad blocking DNS services. For now, I will go with dns.edgard.com. But you can also go with dns.family.edgard.com for safe browsing. I recommend this one. And then tap save. And that's it. Ads in most apps and websites will now be blocked automatically, and your browsing might feel faster too. Simple, free, and no apps needed. If this video helped you block ads on Android, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.